Princess Hope was born in Kingdom Avatar. Her father is an alcoholic and was not a good king to his people. Princess Hope's mother, who loved Princess Hope dearly, she tried to kill the king. Princess Hope's mother ended up failing, and the king killed Princess Hope's mother. The king vanished into the darkness. As Princess Hope got older, she got scars on her hand where her superpower can heal anyone. She has a stethoscope that's her shield. Princess Hope later on found love, Prince Charming. One day, Princess Hope and Prince Charming wanted to have a baby, but couldn't because the king put a curse on to Princess Hope to not have children. Princess Hope and the king ended up going to the battle. The battle had a sad outcome. Prince Charming ended up being killed, but Princess Hope broke the spell and was left with her new baby girl. Things were going well for a while until Mr. Fear. Mr. Fear wanted to take over Kingdom Avatar. He ended up failing. Princess Hope killed him, and Mr. Fear ended up leaving Princess Hope a note saying her father brother told her he is coming soon. Princess Hope was shocked. She had no idea the king had a brother. After reading the note, Mr. Fear left. For Princess Hope, she knew it was only a matter of time where her father will return. Since Mr. Fear is dead, Princess Hope had a ceremony placed for Mr. Fear, since she's related to Mr. Fear. Princess Hope went to Mr. Fear's house to see if she can find any information about her father. Princess Hope found a letter saying, "My dear brother, I will be coming down to Avatar August 21st. I hope to see you there fighting with me against my daughter. We shall take over Kingdom Avatar. Yours truly, brother." Princess Hope started to prepare the kingdom to fight. She had till the end of the month to be prepared. Princess Hope tried doing magic potions to try to contact her father. He appeared up. "Princess Hope, you will do as I say. I'm coming." Mother Nature came to Princess Hope. "Honey, don't worry. I'm putting a spell on Kingdom Avatar. My trees will protect. Your father is locked up away." This is the spell that she put on Kingdom Avatar. Her trees will protect. Kingdom Avatar was ready, August 20th, a day before the battle. Then, all of a sudden, poof, snap, click, poof. "Feels good to be back," the king said. Mother Nature's spell did not hold up. The trees broke. The king said to Princess Hope, "Let's talk in a civil matter." Princess Hope said, "Yes, indeed. Let's settle this, father." Princess Hope said, "I want you to be gone forever and be locked up away." "Now, darling, are you sure about that? Ha ha ha." Princess Hope's eyes, father's eyes. And as you can see, a spell is broken into Princess Hope's chest. The king said, "Sleep tight, my daughter. Whoever disobeys me shall be dead. Follow the rules. Someone get me a drink. I'm your leader now. Princess Hope is gone. Ha, I'm back," the king said. And here's a picture of Princess Hope sleeping, because the king put on a sleeping curse on Princess Hope. To be continued.